Hi there, I'm Julie Tam, managing broker of LYN Realty in Houston. Thank you so much for joining me for Smarter Real Estate Weekly on Wednesdays. Today, we are talking about how to get your home show ready, whether you're listing it for lease or for sale at any price point, doesn't matter. Every home needs to look good and make someone want to buy or to rent it. All right, so today I'm in my own home. We're looking at the bedroom suite today, but these concepts apply throughout your whole home. First, you want to have a baseline where you clean your home, you declutter, you organize, you purge what's not necessary, and staging it in terms of rearranging furniture. But that's a topic for another day. Today, we're talking about the day to day, right? You've now listed your home and you need to leave for work in the morning or school or go out or whatever. And you're going to be leaving your home possibly open to a showing. And someone could make an appointment at some point in the day, literally just 15 minutes before they want to come see it, and not leave you any time to be rushing home to try to do all this. So this is something you can do every day, some of the things at night before you go to bed, and some of the things in the morning right before you leave home. And it is a little bit tedious, but if you just kind of focus on these things and have a small checklist to make sure you don't forget anything, it isn't too bad. All right, let's start in the bathroom. So first of all, you want to turn on all the lights that you have available. So in here, we have some lights on, but for example, the sconce lights at the mirror are beautiful. We want to turn them on. That chandelier is off. We want to turn that on as well. We want to let in as much light as possible. That's artificial light and natural light. So open all the shades, curtains, and drapes, right? Make it look nice. And don't worry about wasting electricity. This is not that much electricity to leave lights on like this. And hopefully, if you lease or sell your home faster, then you will not have to pay these electric bills to have your lights on all day. Kids' toys. Our kids love to come take baths in our big tub. So hide them, right? Or maybe take a break from baths in your tub so that you don't have to do this all the time. But again, if your home is just listed for a short while, then the pain is going to be short-lived. So hide all that. You also want to make sure you put away personal items, okay? Like these things I'm using every day: floss, Listerine, rinse cup, toothpaste, toothbrush. But for a showing, let's put them under the cabinet so that it just looks cleaner. Now it looks nicer. It doesn't look like a dental, whatever. So hide, face wash, just leave a soap, a nice little dish, a lotion, a spray. That's fine. Put away the electric toothbrush. Make sure things are dusted, okay? Depersonalize. You don't want to have frames like this. This shouldn't be an everyday thing. You should have just hidden all your picture frames to begin with, because you don't want people to see you and start making judgments. Maybe if you went to a certain university and you have those logos everywhere, but your potential buyer hates that university. You don't want them to not buy your home because they're associating you with that, or just what you look like. They may make judgments, right? Some people are racist or they don't like a certain faith or whatever. So try to take away all references. Make your home look as depersonalized and generic as possible. Make it look like a builder's model home, and go visit a builder's model home for a good example. Hide slippers, things, stick them in the closet, put them on the shelf though, don't have them in the way, and that way your home looks show ready. Here in the bedroom, you can see what a difference it makes when all the shades and the drapes are open. It just lets in a nice, beautiful natural light. If you have an eyesore in the back, like a huge high voltage power line situation, then yeah, maybe you don't want to draw attention to it. But if it's looking nice, especially if you have a good view, open it up, all right? You want to go ahead and, of course, make your bed every day and fluff those pillows, okay? Get everything arranged to look nicely. I've got water bottles out in a few places around the house. You want to get rid of those, put them away. And in other areas of your home, like the kitchen, for example, get the dishwasher loaded or wash those dishes by hand. Basically, you want to clear dirty dishes out of the kitchen sink. And then putting away food containers and kitchen appliances that you're not, or once you're done using it, just get it put away. Fluff all the pillows on your sofa. This also applies to kids' rooms, guest rooms, other people's rooms in the house, your study, right? Don't leave all your paperwork lying out. get it put away because it'll make it look good. And in another video, I'll talk about safety and how you can get your home ready for a showing, and also make sure you check your home after the showing to make sure it's still safe for you to be coming home and sleeping there that night. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can send a message or you can comment on YouTube or Facebook, and keep watching weekly on Wednesdays, Smarter Real Estate right here. And I hope you guys have a great week.